Today, we are taking you on a journey to Tokyo, the vibrant capital of Japan and one of the most advanced cities in the world. Tokyo is a fascinating place where ancient traditions meet cutting edge technology. With a population of over 14 million people, Tokyo is one of the busiest and most exciting cities on earth. The city is known for its clean streets, ultra fast trains, towering skyscrapers, and incredible innovation. One of Tokyo's most famous attractions is Shibuya Crossing, often called the busiest pedestrian crossing in the world. Thousands of people cross this intersection every day, creating a truly unforgettable sight. For technology lovers, Akihabara is a must visit destination. This area is filled with electronic stores, gaming centers, anime shops, and the latest gadgets, making it a paradise for tech enthusiasts. Tokyo is also a dream destination for food lovers. From world famous sushi and delicious ramen to a wide variety of street food, the city offers an unforgettable culinary experience. Visitors can enjoy breathtaking views of the city from Tokyo Tower and Tokyo Skytree. At night, the city lights transform Tokyo into a dazzling sea of colors and energy. What makes Tokyo truly special is its unique blend of tradition and modernity. You can explore ancient temples and shrines in the morning and experience futuristic technology and entertainment in the evening. Tokyo is more than just a city, it is a symbol of innovation, culture, and luxury. It is no surprise that millions of tourists visit this incredible destination every year. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Luxury Travels for more amazing travel adventures from around the world. See you in the next video. Goodbye.